So, point of this exercise, basically, and what I'm saying is the best way to do wheel kicks is because you're doing it in the two ways possible that it could go down in a real fight. And what are those two ways? Either you connect someone's head, their head might move with your foot, or it may not, it may get stuck and go back. You may hit the body and you have to go back, okay? You may block, and then you have to bring your leg back. In other cases, you miss. So if you miss, you need to keep your balance and be able to bring your leg all the way back without exposing your head. For example, if I throw a wheel kick and I miss, and the guy backs up, and I do this, I'm gonna get knocked out if the other guy knows what he's doing. So next video, guys. Catch you later.